Hello everyone, welcome back to the Waterfront Academy channel. Today we are going to make a paper mache volcano that you can build at home and then make erupt like a real volcano. This project is fun, creative, and it even teaches a little science along the way. Let's get started. Here are the materials you will need. A cheap tray for the base, a small used plastic water or soda bottle, masking tape, newspaper, flour and water to make paper mache paste, shredded newspaper, primer, acrylic paint, brown, green, gray, red, varnish. For the eruption, you will also need warm water, dish soap, baking soda, vinegar, optional, red food coloring. First, place your plastic bottle in the center of the tray. Use masking tape to secure it firmly to the tray. This bottle will be the center of your volcano where the lava will erupt. Next, crumble up newspaper. Tape the newspaper around the bottle to create the mountain shape of your volcano. Try to make it look like a sloping hill or cone around the bottle. Now tear strips of newspaper. Each strip should be about 1 inch wide, 3 inches long. These strips will form the paper mache layers. In a bowl, mix 1 part flour, 1 part water. Stir until it forms a smooth paste. This simple mixture is what will hold your volcano together. Dip a newspaper strip into the paste. Then wipe off the excess paste with your fingers. Lay the strip across your volcano shape. Continue placing strips around and across the form, creating an inverted funnel shape around the bottle. Apply 1 full layer of paper mache. Pro tip: make sure the paper mache goes all the way up to the top of the bottle so that the lava does not flow between the bottle and the volcano. Once the first layer is finished, let it dry completely. This is very important so mold does not grow inside the paper mache. After the first layer dries, apply a second layer of paper mache. Again, allow the volcano to dry completely. This second layer will make your volcano strong and sturdy. Once the paper mache is completely dry, apply a primer coat. This helps the paint stick better. Let the primer dry. Now for the fun part. Paint your volcano to look like a real mountain. You might use browns, blacks, grays, a little red near the top for lava. Let the paint dry completely. Add a varnish or clear sealant to protect the volcano. This helps your project last longer. Let it dry fully before the eruption. On eruption day, add the following ingredients to the bottle: warm water, dish soap, red food coloring, optional, baking soda. This mixture prepares your volcano for eruption. Now for the exciting part. Slowly pour small amounts of vinegar into the bottle. The vinegar reacts with the baking soda and creates bubbles and gas, which pushes the mixture out of the volcano like lava. Watch your volcano erupt, and that's how you make a paper mache volcano at home. This is a great project for learning about earth science, chemical reactions, and creative building. If you enjoyed this activity, be sure to like the video and subscribe to Waterfront Academy's channel for more learning projects. See you next time.